Hello, kids! This is Teacher Heidi, your online learning buddy. Today, we're going to practice reading short stories with comprehension check. Are you ready? Let's start. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once, there was a shepherd boy who had to look after a flock of sheep. He felt bored and decided to play a trick on the villagers. He shouted, "Help! Wolf! Wolf!" The villagers heard his cries and rushed out of the village to help the shepherd boy. When they reached him, they asked, "Where is the wolf?" The shepherd boy laughed loudly. "Ha, ha, ha! I fooled all of you. I was only playing a trick on you." A few days later, the shepherd boy played this trick again. Again he cried, "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!" Again, the villagers rushed up the hill to help him, and again they found that the boy had tricked them. They were very angry with him for being so naughty. Then, some time later, a wolf went into the field. The wolf attacked one sheep, and then another and another. The shepherd boy ran towards the village, shouting, "Help! Help! Wolf! Help! Somebody!" The villagers heard his cries, but they laughed because they thought it was another trick. The boy ran to the nearest villager and said, "A wolf is attacking the sheep. I lied before, but this time it is true." Finally, the villagers went to look. It was true. They could see the wolf running away and many dead sheep lying on the grass. Moral of the story: we may not believe someone who often tells lies even when he tells the truth. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who is the main character in the story? A. A farmer. B. A shepherd boy. C. A villager. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. A shepherd boy. Question number 2. What did the shepherd boy shout to trick the villagers? A. Help! Bear! Bear! B. Help! Wolf! Wolf! C. Help! Lion! Lion! What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Help! Wolf! Wolf! Question number 3. How did the villagers feel when they realized they were tricked? A. Happy. B. Scared. C. Angry. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Angry. Question number 4. What happened when the real wolf came? A. The villagers helped the boy. B. The boy ran away. C. The villagers thought it was another trick. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. The villagers thought it was another trick. Question number 5. What did the villagers find when they finally went to look? A. Many dead sheep. B. A friendly wolf. C. A lost dog. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Many dead sheep. Thank you for watching, kids. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone.